I would die without Feedback Panda. And I know that sounds dramatic, but it's not. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine and today's video is all about Feedback Panda. Why you need it, why I would die without Feedback Panda. I know that sounds dramatic, but it's not. I love Feedback Panda. Basically what Feedback Panda does is it has all these different templates for feedback for particular lessons. So if you taught a level 3 class on clothes, it's lesson 2, there's feedback for you that other teachers have already written that you can literally just copy and paste. What's cool about Feedback Panda though is in brackets it'll say name, and so when you import that feedback, your student's name will be put where it says name. So your student Sam will say, Sam did an excellent job today, instead of Tommy, and you don't have to write it, okay? You don't. It does it for you. It's amazing. I love it. I don't know what I would do without it. It's literally, I do feedback in 2 seconds. It's that easy. So I don't know if that made sense, but I'm going to dive into it for you so you can see for your eyes yourself. I work for VIPKid and it works with VIPKid, I know for sure. I know it also works with like QKids, GOGOKID. It works for a ton of other ESL companies, so not just VIPKid, but I'm going to show you mine. So let me just do a little screen recording. I just learned how to do this. This is my portal, so I'm just going to show you feedbackpanda.com. So here, go away cookies. Okay, thanks. So here is the main page. So happy. It's a cute little panda. Let's go to pricing. So it has gone up since I have returned back to the country. It used to be $10 a month and $120 yearly, I think, but yeah, it's $15 a month. It's $150 a year. I went ahead and purchased the $150 a year and I actually got a really big credit for it. I got like $40 off. I don't know why. I did not use a referral code, but that was really nice. Thanks, Feedback Panda. So, and you can also cancel at any time. So if you do the monthly and, you know, 3 months later you're like, I want to take a break, I'm canceling this, you can. And then you can pick back up, because that's what I did. Exactly. So I went with the yearly. I actually got a really big discount. So I suggest go with the yearly. And I have a referral code down at the bottom. So if you use my referral code, you'll get a month free, I believe. Anyway, my referral link's down below. Feel free to use it if you want. I'd appreciate it. If you don't, that's cool too. So let me show you. So once you know, purchase either the monthly or the yearly, you will, it'll take you through the steps to get it on your desktop, like this little guy. So let's see, I do this and I launch VIPKid and the Feedback Panda app together, so that I'll show you why. So those are my classes I have to teach tomorrow. Can't wait to get up at 4 a.m. Okay, so bookings, no bookings, classrooms. So when you go to classrooms, everything looks normal, and then there's this cute little panda there saying hey. And what I do every morning is, once I log in, I just click this and it'll pull up this little bio. So L, it tells me how many times I've taught L, birthday, all this stuff. Sometimes Feedback Panda gets it wrong, or I think sometimes VIPKid gets it wrong. It's whether it's a boy or a girl. Sometimes it'll say it's a girl and it's a boy. But I don't know what that is. But you can edit all this if you need to. But see, that's the course. I know it's annoying, it highlights what I'm trying to read to you. But that's the course, you know, level 3, unit 7, lesson 1 and 2. And this is the feedback. So I've already taught this class before, and I've already used this feedback before, which is why it's pulling up again. And so yeah, so Feedback Panda remembers, it keeps track of your students for you, and it remembers which classes you've already taught. So you don't have to go looking for the feedback every time. I'm going to show you what looking for the feedback looks like, but it's so easy. And so yeah, so after I teach the class and I'm about to fill out the feedback, I just skim over this, make sure everything's right. You know, sometimes it'll say he instead of she, or, you know, if worst case scenario, sometimes you have a tough lesson or a bad behaved student, so you have to edit this to, you know, L was horrible today. Just kidding, we would never say that. But you can edit this. It's not set in stone. You can do whatever you want. And after that, you hit copy feedback. And then you go here, and then when you pull up the feedback, you can just paste it and then fill everything else out, and you're done. And it takes literally 2 seconds. So that's how I do it for most things. Sometimes, let's see. Oh yeah, also when I come in, I just click all of these. So in the morning, I already have all my, my computer, all my students and all the feedback up already, so that I can literally just minimize this. And when I'm done teaching L, I'll go here, copy this, paste in the feedback, and then I will exit out. And then I will teach UU, which that's a new student, and then do the same thing, copy this, exit out. Sam, yes, Wong Young. Okay, so I already have feedback for all these kids. Let's see. I will not have feedback for this girl. Level 7. So, just to show you what it looks like when you haven't taught a particular class before and you need to go find feedback, or say you don't like the feedback that you had for the last person, the last time you made feedback, so you want to go find other feedback. So this is what you do. You go to where it says template and you hit cloud, and that's going to bring you up with everyone who's written feedback. So you can just go through, I go through and I click the ones I want to look over. If they're too wordy like this, or if I can't just skim over, then I don't do it. It's 4 a.m. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? And there's a male side and a female side. So, you know, if it's a boy or a girl, obviously. So that's not, I don't like this. I like this. I like it when it's spaced out and I can see. It's also kind of wordy. What does Cindy say? See, I also don't like it when I have to fill it out. Not my fave, not my fave. This one's not bad. Wow, it's long. This is also an hour-long lesson, so it's probably why the feedback's so long. Level 7s. I actually really like level 7s. I just started teaching level 7s. But you get it. Let's just find one that's alright. Oh, hey. I like this one. It's a little short, but just to show you what we do. So you hit import template. Let's say, I think Apple is a girl. We'll say Apple's a girl. And go through, and I'll just say, I'll change this to teacher Catherine. Always put a smiley face. And so when you change it for the female side, you need to hit generate male template, so that, you know, the next time you teach this lesson and it's a boy, it's up to date. It'll say teacher Catherine at the end, see? So yeah, and after that, you hit import this template, and then it'll show up right here for me. See, all my edits are in there, and it is ready to go. So all I have to do is hit copy feedback and put in all the other feedback. So that's why I like it so much. I love Feedback Panda. I guess we can save. We'll save that. Feedback saved. Thanks, Panda. So if you teach for multiple companies, you can create another school. Let's see. Let's see all the companies. Oh, wow. Wow, I've never heard of half of these. I'm gonna do my research. I want another one. Yeah, so PK Fish, Tutor ABC, wow. Hugo English, Wales English. That's really cool. Okay, oh, brick and mortar school. I don't know why they would need that. What happens if you click on it? Interesting. Okay, well, I don't feel like it. But that is pretty cool. So if you teach for VIP Kid and GOGOKID and QKids, you can put all of them in here. You can link it to your VIP Kid page, and yeah, you'll be good to go. I do have a favorite. So let me just show you. So you go to the cloud, you see like who wrote the feedbacks, like by Karen, by LW, by FDH, by Dawn, blah, 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 blah. So I have a favorite, and my favorite is Karen. This girl lady right here, she writes the best feedback. I don't know who she is. If by the rare chance that she's watching this, call me. I want to thank you and send you flowers and balloons because you write the best feedback. Literally, like, if I have to go import a template and she's already written, I have the time to read it. I'm like, I know it's fine. Here we go. I'll skim over it, but Teacher Karen comes in clutch with that good feedback. So I just wanted to shout her out. I would love to meet her. She's one of my heroes. I love Nancy Taylor and whoever Feedback Panda Teacher Karen is. She's my girl, my homie. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. I hope this little demo was helpful. I hope it gave you some insight into how Feedback Panda works, and if you're tired of writing your own feedback, which who isn't? Oh my god, I would literally write like 4 sentences. It was like, Elle was great. She knows her ABCs and colors. XOXO Catherine. This is so much better. Like, I don't even care if I have to pay for it. It's amazing. But if you're tired of writing your own feedback, if you just want it all done for you, if you have a ton of back-to-back classes and you want to get it done in between that like 5 minutes before your next class, this is for you. Again, my referral link for Feedback Panda is down below, and also my referral for VIP Kid is down below if you are wanting to become a teacher. If you want an easy side job, my VIP Kid referral link is down below too. So all that is down below, and yeah. If you have any other questions, please email me. My email is heycatherinedavis@gmail.com. Shoot me an email, say hi, drop a comment, like this video, subscribe, all the fun stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more ESL tips and tricks and travel and anything else that I want to make a video about. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. If you're tired of writing your own feedback, which like, who isn't? Hello! Okay, how do I explain this? Oh, this is gonna be fun to edit. I can't wait to edit this. Okay. Nah, I can't talk. Okay. Level 2, I don't know. Nah. Let's try again. Let's just try one more time. Okay. I'm all over the place today. Oh my gosh. Why you need fake feet? Blah. God, I cannot talk today. I don't know how to explain this to you. But yes, so I don't know where that came from. Okay. I'm sure the thumbnail's in that somewhere.